Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the map function in Python. The map function applies a specified function to every item in an iterable, such as a list, and then returns an iterator. This is particularly useful for transforming data. The function takes in two arguments. The first is the function you want to apply, and the second is the iterable you want to transform. For example, if we want to square all the numbers in a list, we can define a function square that returns the square of a number. Then we use the map function to apply this function to each item in the list. So let's look at this actual code example. First, we define a function called square that takes one argument, num, and returns the square of that number using num asterisk 2. Now we create a list of numbers called numbers, and we can see we have the numbers 1 through 5. And so now we will use the map function to apply the square function to each item in the numbers list. The map function will then return an iterator, so we convert it to a list to see the actual results. And we convert the map function to a list and print the result. And as we can see, the output is 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25, which is the correct squared values of the list. And this shows how the map function can be used to efficiently apply a function to each element in the list. And just remember, the first argument, square in this example, is the function you want to apply, and the second argument, numbers, is the actual list of data that is being transformed.